Pragnadeepa Learning Center.
Hello, Avanish, Jayant, Priya, Sanghavi. I'm audible to right? Kedista idya?
Yes,
Good evening,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So, last class we discussed about section formula, alva? So, section formula ಬಗ್ಗೆ discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So, ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ section formula ನಮ್ಗೆ? Just to recall, section formula, first one. So, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ section formula? So, if a point divides the line segment AB in the ratio m1 is to m2, then the coordinate points will be m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and y coordinate will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So nimage ಏನು ನೆನಪಿರಬೇಕು, ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೆನಪಿರಬೇಕು. So you have a point, b point. So point p divides ab in the ratio m1 is to m2. So ಅವಾಗ ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, coordinates of x, y. So next, midpoint formula ಅಥವಾ to find the ratios. First, to find ratio, you have one formula. So that is x, y is equal to kx2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1, ky2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1. This is the formula to calculate the ratios. The last formula is midpoint formula. So very, very important formula, that is midpoint formula. So if point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1 is to 1, then the coordinate points of point P will be x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So ಈ ಮೂರು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So section formula, first one, second one to find the ratios, third one is midpoint formula. And we solved some problems related to section formula and midpoint formula. So ಇನ್ನ ratios ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. So ಬರ್ಕೋತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ವರ್ಕ್ಶೀಟ್ ಕೊಡಿಲ್ಲ. So 3 problems complete ಆಗಿದೆ last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Yes, Priya, can you read the fourth question? Priya?
Yes, sir. Find the ratio in which the line segments joining the points -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6.
So ratio related problem. Find the ratio. So in the fourth one, find the ratio. You need to find the ratios. So ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? So they have given coordinates of A and coordinates of B and the coordinates of the point of division P. So coordinates of A is -3, 10 and coordinates of B is 6, -8. So next, coordinates of P is -1, 6. -1, 6. So So we need to find the ratios. M1 and M2 na find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. So to find the ratio, we have one formula. Illon formula ಇದೆ. So where very very important point is K is equal to M1 by M2 na M2 by M1 na formula dalli. K is equal to M2 by M1 na M1 by M2 na M1 by M2 M1 by M2. So ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು, let K is equal to M1 by M2 and apply the formula x comma y is equal to kx2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1. Formula ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ, ky2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1. So now you have only one variable, one unknown value, that is k. So ಒಂದೇ unknown value ಇರೋದು ಅದು k. So ಅದನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತು. You already know about x and y and x1 y1 y1 y2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So what is x1 y1? So x1 y1 is coordinates of a minus 3 comma 10. What is x2 y2? Coordinates of b, it is 6 comma minus 8. What is x comma y? Coordinates of p, minus 1 comma 6. Minus 1 comma 6. So minus 1 comma 6 is equal to k times x2. x2 is 6 plus x1. x1 is minus 3 divided by k plus 1 comma ky2. k into minus 8 plus y1. y1 is 10 divided by k plus 1. Now you can equate any one of the coordinate value. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದನ್ನ equate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ to find the value of k. So I will equate the first one. First one ಅನ್ನು equate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? If you equate the first one, so minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3 divided by k plus 1. So second one ಕೂಡ equate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. So I will equate the first one. So now if you shift this k plus 1 to left hand side, it becomes minus k minus 1. Minus k minus 1. Left hand side shift ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ. Minus k minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. So now, so take this minus 3 to left hand side, it becomes plus 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 6k plus k. 2 is equal to 7k. K is equal to 2 by 7. The value of k is 2 by 7. But k is nothing but m1 by m2 alva. K will be m1 by m2. So m1 by m2 is equal to 2 by 7. So this will be the required ratio. M1 is to M2 is 2 is to 7. So ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ? So they are asking find the ratios. Find the ratios where the coordinates of A is minus 3 comma 10, coordinates of B is 6 comma minus 8, coordinates of P is minus 1 comma 6. So M1 ಮತ್ತೆ M2 ನ find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ we use this formula. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So main thing is K is M1 by M2. So ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಅದು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು. So ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get the value of K. So last ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು M1 by M2 K value ಗೆ. So you will get the required ratio. Clear? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇದು? Any doubts on it, students? ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
No, sir.
Then next question. Yes, Sachin, can you read the next question?
Yes, sir. In what ratio does the x-axis divide the line segment showing the point -4, -6 and -1, 7? Find the coordinates of the point of division.
So in in what ratio? Again they are asking ratios. So ratios ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಿದು. Ratios. In what ratios? X axis divides the line segment. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು? X axis. X axis ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ P. P ಅನ್ನೋದು X axis ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. Showing the points 4, -4, -6. -4, -6 ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಯಾವ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Third quadrant, -4, -6. So this is nothing but your point A. Next, -1, 7. -1, lies in second quadrant. -1, 7. This is nothing but your coordinate point B. Okay, so E point at B then. So I will join AB. So this will be the point of division P of X, Y. But you already know point on X axis is of the form. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ X axis ಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? X, 0. So remember, point on X axis is X, 0. Point on X axis is X, 0. Point on Y axis?
So 0, y.
0, y. So ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೆನಪಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. Point on X axis is always of the form X, 0. Point on Y axis is always of the form 0, y. Okay. So now I can write X, y as X, 0. So point of division to coordinate point is X, 0. So they are asking to find the ratios alva. M1 is to M2 na find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So now what I will do, let K is equal to M1 by M2 and the formula is X, y is equal to Kx2 plus X1 divided by K plus 1, Ky2 plus Y1 divided by K plus 1. This is the formula to calculate the ratios. Ratios find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಿರುವಂತ formula ಇದು. So point of division the coordinate point is X, 0. Point of division X, 0 is equal to, so X1, Y1. This is X1, Y1. This is X2, Y2. Okay. So then substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. K into X2 is -1 plus X1 is -4 divided by K plus 1. Coordinates of Y. K into Y2. Y2 is 7 plus Y1. Y1 is -6 divided by K plus 1. Now either you can equate X coordinate value or you can equate Y coordinate value. But if you equate X coordinate value, problem ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? You have two unknowns. K is also unknown, X is also unknown. ಎರಡೆರಡು unknowns ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ don't equate X coordinate value. X coordinate ನ equate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. Equate Y coordinate value. Y coordinate value ನ equate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? X ನಾರು equate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, Y ನಾರು equate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. But if you equate X coordinate value, ಎರಡೆರಡು unknown ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ X ಮತ್ತೆ K. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ Y coordinate ನ equate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So if you equate Y coordinate value, ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Y coordinate ನ equate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 0 is equal to 7K minus 6 divided by K plus 1. K plus 1 into 0 is? K plus 1 into 0 is? 0. 0 is equal to 7K minus 6. This implies K is equal to
K is equal to 6 by 7.
K is equal to 6 by 7 means M1 by M2 is 6 by 7. This is nothing but M1 is to M2 is 6 is to 7. Now you need to find ಅಷ್ಟೇ in what ratio ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. Now you need to find x coordinate value also. Find the points of division. So points of division ಕೂಡ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So points of division ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು x, 0. So already y coordinate ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So you need to find the value of x also. So x find out ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಗ. So x find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? So you will equate. So ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ equate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? First one ನ x is equal to minus k minus 4 divided by k plus 1. So substitute the value of k there. K value na substitute ಮಾಡಿ. You will get the value of x. ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ x value substitute ಮಾಡಿ. Yes, Jayant, what is the x value? Value of x.
ಸರ್ ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
4. Ritesh is saying 4. What about others? Durgesh? Smita, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ?
Sir, I got minus 34 by 13, sir.
Minus 32.
Sir, minus 34 by 13, sir.
So value x is equal to minus k minus 4 divided by k plus 1. So the value of k is 6 by 7. 6 by 7. So minus 6 by 7 minus 4 divided by 6 by 7 plus 1. So minus 6 minus 28 divided by 7. 6 plus 7 divided by 7. So 7 gets cancelled. You are left out with. So minus 6 minus 28 is minus,
So minus
34. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13. So minus 34 by 13. The value of x is minus 34 by 13. So therefore, coordinates of the points of division. Therefore, coordinates of the points of division is x comma 0 is equal to minus 34 by 13 comma 0. So negative axis ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಬೇಕದು x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ನೀವೇನ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಮಾಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇದು? Yes, Jayant, can you read the next question? Jayant.
If 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5